Imagine walking into a room full of people and without saying a word, everyone knows who you are, what you stand for, and why you are there. That's the power of a brand. A silent yet profound statement about your identity. That's it. But here's the truth, brands aren't grow overnight. They are built step by step from ground up. Whether you're starting a personal brand or launching a business, creating a brand from scratch is a journey of discovery, strategy, and consistency. Ready to make your mark on the world? Let's dive in. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about another frequently asked question on how can I build my brand from scratch. Building a brand may be overwhelming and it may not be that easy, but we'll talk about it step by step. Now, define your core identity. Start by asking yourself some questions as who are you? What values, skills, or missions define you or your business? What do you offer? What unique value do you bring to your audience or customers? Why does it matter? And how does your brand impact others? A strong brand begins with clarity. Your answers will shape your mission, your vision, your value, your building blocks of a brand identity. Now, understand your audience. A brand isn't just about you, it's about your audience, those you will connect with. Research about them. Ask yourself, who are they? What are their needs, their preferences, and their challenges? How can your brand solve their problems or fulfill their desires? Understanding your audience helps you craft a message that resonates and builds trust. You need to create a visual identity. Your brand's visual elements, such as colors, logos, fonts, imaginary, all play a key role in recognition and recall. Think of your visual identity as your brand's face and make sure it appeals to your audience. I develop a consistent voice. A brand voice is how you communicate. Is it in a professional way, a friendly way, playful way, authoritative? Whether it is your website, your social media handle, or whatever it is, your voice needs to show. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is non-negotiable. You have to create a professional website, establish a profile, a platform where your audience spends time in. Regularly, you have to shape your audience. Now, deliver your promises. A brand is only strong when trust is there. And for there to be trust, you have to deliver. Let's talk about your brand blueprint. To kickstart your journey, you have to grab a notebook and complete the following activities. Write your brand statement. Fill in the gaps like I will help whoever, I will solve whoever by providing whatever solution you want to provide. Find images, colors, fonts that represent you. Use tools like Pinterest or Canva to organize your ideal or your ideas visually. Now define your three core values. Write down three words that represent what your brand stands for. For example, innovation, trust, creativity. Set one actionable goal. Identify one small step to start building your brand this week. It could be design, logo, mission statement, and so on. In conclusion, building a brand from scratch is a journey of self-discovery, strategy, and persistency. With clarity, consistency, and a focus on value, you will create a brand that will not only stand but also make a lasting impact. Your brand is your story, so start writing today. So I'll stop here for today. If you've not followed me, please click the plus sign here and like this video, share on your different social media handles, WhatsApp, Facebook, share to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that now. Don't miss out. If you don't have the link, I will send the link to you now. So stay tuned.